night settings to help your family fall asleep and stay asleep peacefully. It's easy to use with the simple push-button controls. Start by choosing from 18 relaxing sounds, including white and brown noise, heartbeats, rain, stream, lullabies, and more. And then from 3 brightness levels on its built-in LED nightlight. Finally, select the timer setting